Hey Jackson, good morning. Guess what I'm making today? We've made lots and lots of stuff, but brisket. Today we're making brisket, but this is a different brisket. Why? Because this is the brisket that your daddy and mommy bought and had in the freezer downstairs from a cow that they bought. And so I have that brisket here, and we're going to do a couple things to it. One of them is sometimes the meat from the cow can be too hard to chew. And so Uncle John is going to try, like we did the other day with the baking soda, to tenderize it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So here we are. This is already trimmed. This is the point. We've talked about that before. And the butcher trimmed where the flat is, so it's kind of like half a brisket is what it's like. So what Uncle John is going to do is take baking soda and use it to tenderize the beef. So we'll sprinkle it on, then we'll fill it with water, and then we will let it soak for 15 minutes. Okay, bud. So I have a couple tablespoons inside the quarter cup measure, and I'm just going to take it and spread it on there. No real method, but just to try to make the meat more tender. Well, it's actually going to take more. It's a big piece of meat. We want to cover everything we can. I'm hoping that the camera can capture that for us. We want to get the sides as best we can too. So I'll come back to this. It looks like a very good piece of meat. Remember, on the cow, that the brisket comes from up near the front of the cow's shoulder area. So that's where we are. We're just going to try to make it all tender. And what has to happen is the baking soda has to do its work, has to do its process in order to do it. So there's no rushing it. We'll just wait 15 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
All right, there we are. All right, buddy. I got it in the tub here, and it's soaking. That little piece is sticking up. It's waving to us. Hello, brisket. And I already went outside and I put on the smoker, so it's on 180 degrees. And this is a smaller brisket. This is the same one like mine was when I cooked the one that we butchered the cow. That it just is a smaller piece of meat, and sometimes the cows are not. The meat is a little tougher, we found. So I'm going to try this out for Daddy and Mommy and see if it works. So we'll wait for the timer.